checking the weight and they're there about 50th percentile. Putting some of this stuff in there. Well, third child,
Look, that is a good point, but what if the main breadwinner of the family dies unexpectedly or gets seriously injured?
well, that's the thing, isn't it? Most people don't have enough savings, to look after the family, and that's what insurance is all about.
I suppose that there's social security benefits though.
Well, if you'd like to stand in line for social security, sure, but I think you'll find the amount isn't that great. How much do you spend on a weekly shop when you go for groceries?
Goodness, probably up to $300 a week actually.
Yeah, and that's not uncommon. For a single person, it's a little over $300 a week.
Wow.
So there's not much left to look after a reasonable level of living.
Okay, but most people have their super to fall back on.
Yeah, most people do have superannuation. Unfortunately, though, when it comes to insurance, most people have very little. The focus on super is more about retirement. And so very few have enough insurance in their super to last for even a year.
Yep. Okay, but if there was an accident at work, workers' comp would cover it though.
If there was an accident and it was at work, work-related, or you're on your way to work, sure. But the amount of time that you spend away from work is normally more significant. So the chances of being covered by workers' comp aren't that great.
Well, I guess, look, for me, if worse came to worse, I would just sell the house.
Selling a house could be an option. But think about the cost of selling first of all, the legal fees. You've got to pay out your mortgage, and then what do? You've still got rent to pay.
Okay, so you're saying that we need insurance to cover all of these things?
Well, insurance is about choice and about maintaining a reasonable standard of living. Most people don't have enough insurance to cover their family for even a year. Superannuation, the cover in super, commonly isn't enough to last and maintain a reasonable standard of living. And Centrelink benefits they're just not going to do the job.
That's true.